Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw the Super Dragon, Super Shenron from Dragon Ball Super. If you must know, the Super Dragon is a being that allows you to have any wish without limitation. And if you must know, they are the Super Dragon. They can only be summoned with the power of the Super Dragon Balls. You see, the Super Dragon Balls are these wish orbs that have no limits to their power, and it takes 1 year for them to recharge. Anyways, after a year has passed, you must travel between the 6th and 7th universes to gather the 6 Super Dragon Balls. After you say, "Come forth, Divine Dragon, and grant my wish, peas and carrots," in the Divine Tongue, it allows the Super Dragon to be summoned. And after that wish is made, the Super Dragon Balls will return to their normal states and wait in silence for another year for the next seeker. If you must know, the Super Dragon Balls were seen and used like 5 times. One time was when Beerus wished for the 6 universes planet Earth to be restored. And another time was when our heroes thought that Zamasu was planning to use the Super Dragon Balls to create Goku Black and make himself invincible. And another time was when Zamasu managed to swap bodies with Goku Black. And for the final time, you see, the Grand Minister, he allowed 17 to grant his wish for all 12 universes to be restored and to have life once again. I don't know when we're going to see the Super Dragon Balls we don't know when we're going to see the Super Shenron again, but I'm sure we'll see him back real soon. Another fact about Shenron, he doesn't know how to. He doesn't really speak English.
Hearts are gonna beat with a boom. After that, you'll understand. This horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core. Always energized for the goal. Legends never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get bumped, then we crash, winning in the rock, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to this beat as we're heading for the ring. It's the tale of the cosmos and nobody knows.
Okay, next up, here's his fingernail. So, next up, you just gotta draw these wings here. I believe that Super Shenron was seen only like 5 or 6 times, especially when Goku and Krillin were training themselves in the forest when they fought against all the enemies from their past. Try to stop. And if you ask me, I think I know the Divine Tongue a little bit. I've seen Beerus and Whis say it a bunch of times. To speak the Super Dragon Balls, you must say, Inakitaro Rito Nebate Dino Denate Yisha Hiwi. At least that's what I remember it. That's how I remember it. But, anyways. There we go. And, let me just add a little spots here. And there we go. That is how you draw Super Shenron. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Anyways, I know he doesn't look like much, but I managed to get it done anyway. I bet he towers over Porunga and Shenron themselves. I wonder if the three dragons will ever get to meet. But, it's pretty worth it. But, it's pretty much to be worth it. That would break Super Dragon Ball history. And, I bet that'll allow the Saiyans, Goku and Vegeta, to unleash a new super power. New level of power. How about Super Saiyan Shenron? Pretty impressive, huh? Anyways, that's about all the time I have for this video. Thanks for watching how to watch Super Shenron. Be sure to subscribe and like to the comments below. And I'll let you guys know what kind of character I'll draw you guys next. Well, bye for now. Have a galactic day.